Ever wonder about the longest fingernails on a pair of hands? Meet Diana Armstrong of Minneapolis, Minnesota, the record holder for this peculiar feat. Her nails, grown over several decades, are a testament to patience, commitment, and unique personal style. The length of her nails, they measure an incredible total length of 42 feet, 8.4 inches. Longest fingernails on a pair of hands, female, and the longest fingernails on a pair of hands ever. That's longer than most cars. And yes, she manages everyday tasks just fine. Thank you. Diana's nails are more than a record. They're a unique form of self-expression. She refuses to trim them, in loving memory of her daughter, who passed away tragically. Every coat of polish, every inch grown, tells a story. So, next time you're waiting for your nails to dry, remember Diana Armstrong and her extraordinary set of talons. You may not aspire to such lengths, but there's a lesson in there about embracing your own style.